Okay, dear students, let us solve one more important example. If for any 2 by 2 square matrix A into adjoint of A is equal to 8008 matrix, then we have to find and write the value of determinant of A. So let us write, students. So what is given condition here? A into adjoint of A is equal to matrix 8008. We have to calculate determinant of A बच्चों. So taking determinant on both sides, determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is equal to determinant of 8 0 0 8. तो देखिए बच्चों, इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A. So determinant of adjoint of A, this is determinant बच्चों, is equal to determinant of A bracket raised to n minus 1, where n is the order of this matrix here. So see here बच्चों, this is equal to, I can write this as 8 into 8 minus 0. ठीक है. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of adjoint of A means determinant of A into what is the order of this matrix? A. This is square matrix. So 2. So it is 2 minus 1 is equal to 64 आएगा. So determinant of A into determinant of A, 2 minus 1 means 1. So that is determinant of A square is equal to 64. So this implies determinant of A is equal to plus or minus 8. So let us understand this question, bacho. So for what values of k the system of linear equation x plus y plus z is equal to 2, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3, 3x plus 2y plus k is equal to 4 has a unique solutions. So देखिए बच्चों, this system of linear equations can be written as Ax is equal to b लिख सकते हैं बच्चों. What is A means? It is the matrix here where A is equal to matrix of coefficients of x, y, z 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, k. ठीक है. X is equal to, it is the matrix of variables and P is equal to is the matrix of coefficients. 4. The system of linear equations, the system of linear equations has unique solution if determinant of A is not equal to 0. So let us take this condition. So determinant of A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, k. So let us solve this determinant. 1 into means expanding along first row. So this is k plus 2 minus 1 into 2k plus 3, 3 minus plus 1 into 4 minus 3 आएगा 2 into 2 4. So this is equal to बच्चों क्या आएगा k plus 2 minus 2k minus 3 plus 4 minus 3. Okay, चलिए. So this is what will be this here, बच्चों. K minus 2k, this will be minus k. Then 2 plus 4, that is 6, minus 3 minus 6. So it will get cancelled, बच्चों. So this is determinant of A is equal to, it is coming minus k. So this implies determinant of A is not equal to 0. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. So minus k is not equal to 0. This implies k is not equal to 0. So this implies for k is not equal to 0 means it is a non-zero real number. This implies for a unique solution, k should be a non-zero real number. So let us solve this question, bachcho. So we have to find the determinant of adjoint of A. So see here, bachcho, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A n minus 1. Here what is n? N is the order of matrix A. So adjoint of A is equal to, so determinant of 5, 2, 7, 3, 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the order of this matrix is 2. So this is equal to 5, 2, 7, 3. So this is equal to 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1. So let us solve this one more question, bachcho. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of adjoint of A is equal to 64, then we have to find the value of determinant of A. देखिए बच्चों, we know that determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. So determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A. So order of given matrix is 3. So it will be 3 minus 1. So adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A square. Adjoint of determinant of adjoint of A is 64 is equal to determinant of A square. So this implies determinant of A is equal to plus or minus 8. So let us solve one of the important questions here. Write the inverse of A for given matrix A. तो देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पर inverse of given matrix is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So let us calculate बच्चों यहाँ पे adjoint of A is equal to, देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्या करना है, given matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, interchange diagonal elements को interchange करना है and non diagonal elements जो है बच्चों उनके साइन चेंज करना है. So that will be adjoint of A. So therefore now find determinant of A is equal to 2, 5, 1, 3. इसका determinant निकालना है. So this is equal to 6, 2 into 3, 6 minus 5. This is equal to 1. So therefore, inverse of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A is 1 into adjunct of, this is matrix here, 3 minus 5 minus 1 2. So this is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 1 2. So let us see one of the important questions, bacho. This question was asked in CBSE 2016 में आया हुआ question है बच्चों. So we have to find out the maximum value of this determinant. तो देखिए बच्चों, some will use some properties here. So we'll make two zeros, huh? कहीं पर भी. So let us understand this question once again. We have to find the value of this determinant R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So determinant becomes bachcho. So this is 1 minus 1 1 1 or 0 sin theta 0 R3 minus R1. This is 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 और ये cos theta. So determinant of A expanding along first column. So this is 1 into A sin theta cos theta minus 0. So determinant of sin theta cos theta. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta. So maximum value of sin 2 theta is equal to 1. So therefore, maximum value of given determinant is equal to 1 by 1, that is 1 by 2. So let us expand this determinant along first row. So it is x into, cancel हो जाएगा, minus x square minus 1 minus sin theta into, deleting first row and second column, minus sin theta x minus cos theta plus cos theta into, deleting first row and third column, minus sin theta plus x cos theta. This is equal to 8 है बच्चों. So multiply this, minus x cube minus x plus sin square theta x plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus x cos square theta is equal to 8 है बच्चों. यहाँ पे ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एक्स एक्स, यहाँ एक्स कॉमन है बच्चों, एक्स साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 8 आएगा बच्चों. तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज 1, एक्स इज टू 1 minus x cube minus x is equal to 8. This will be x minus x cube minus x is equal to 8. This will get cancelled. So इधर ये इसको लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. अभी a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is x plus 2 into x square minus x प्लस 4 आएगा बच्चों। 2 का क्यूब है ये प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0 आएगा ये। So this implies बच्चों x plus 2 is equal to 0 और x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0। अभी यहाँ पर देखिए 4 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स बच्चों जिसमें -1 का डिफरेंस है, तो देर आर नो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4 -1 difference. Okay, so x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0 gives imaginary values. तो यहां से हम लोग लेंगे बच्चों x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to -2. So this is our answer हो जाएगा। So let's calculate determinant of AB. देखिए A is this matrix, B is given matrix. So we have to write the value of this determinant of A. So what we will do here बच्चों? So determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So let us find determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So this is equal to -1 minus 6. It is equal to -7. I don't know. Determinant of B is equal to determinant of 1, 3 minus 1, 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 into -1 into 3. This is 3. So it is equal to 4. So therefore determinant of AB is equal to -7 into 4. It is -28. So let us see one of the important questions बच्चों। So it was asked in examination 2015. So here in the interval pi by 2 less than x less than pi, that means meaning of this बच्चों x lies in second quadrant. Find the value of x for which the matrix, this given matrix is singular matrix। ये आपको सॉल्व करना है बच्चों। तो let us take here matrix is a singular, it is given, therefore determinant of A is equal to 0. That means determinant of 2 sin x 3 1 2 sin x is equal to 0. So this implies, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं बच्चों, 4 sin square x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies 4 sin square x is equal to 3. Sin square x is equal to 3 upon 4. Sin x is equal to, देखिए बच्चों, प्लस और माइनस या हम लोग √3/2 आए। Now means I can write this as sin x is equal to sin of second quadrant में देखिए बच्चों, it is I can write here pi by 3, but x lies in second quadrant means this can be written as sin of pi minus pi by 3 in second quadrant. So this implies sin x is equal to sin 2 pi by 3. This implies x is equal to 2 pi by 3. So this is our answer. So let us see, this is one of the different and important questions. If Aij is the cofactor of the element small aij of the determinant, is write the value of A32. So what is A32 is, this is the element which lies in third row and second column. 1, 2, 3, third row, second column. This is 5. This is equal to 5. So A32 is equal to minus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus 2 into determinant obtained by third row and second column. Third row, second column. It is 2, 5, 6, 4. Third row, second column, 2, 5, 6, 4. Okay. So this is equal to बच्चों minus 1 bracket raised to 5 means minus 1 आएगा into 8 minus 30 आएगा. So it is minus 1 into minus 22. It is plus 25 minus 1 into this. Now therefore A32 into A32, this is equal to 5 into 22, it is 110. Let us see one more question, bachcho. If this is determinant equation, then write the positive value of x. So let us solve this here. What will be this, bachcho? X square minus x is equal to 6 minus 4. So x square minus x is equal to 2. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. What are the factors of minus 2? Minus 2 into 1. Difference is minus 1. It is x minus 2. X plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So we have to write positive value of x. Therefore, required value x is equal to 1.